Hi, my name is Tanya, and welcome to the second video in the Trading for Teens series. Today we're going to be looking at stocks that you know. So today we're going to be looking at the stock charts of some of the companies that we're familiar with and whose products we use often. In order to be a good trader, you need to know stocks. Start by looking around you in your life. There are many companies whose products we use daily. Start by studying these charts. So here I've created a quick list of some of the companies that came to my mind when I think of famous companies. So let's take a look at some stock charts. We can see this is the stock chart for Costco. So you can see for a while it was going up, and now it's in a very volatile position and it's going up and down. And if we look at Walmart, we can see a same situation where it was had an upward trend and then became very volatile. We can look at some other stocks like Boeing. Boeing was relatively stable, and then in recent days, months, it has dropped dramatically. We can look at some other stocks like Walt Disney. Also has gone down because no one's going to like Walt Disney parks right now. We can look at Kellogg's. Kellogg's has been going up and down for many days. We can look at a newer company like, where's it? Oh, Zoom Videos. Zoom Videos is a new stock, and in the time since it launched into the market, it's gone up considerably. You can look at a stock like Apple, which has gone up for a while from here. You can look at Procter and Gamble, another stock that went up and became very volatile. So every day, make a habit of going through the charts of companies which you know. Look at when they were going up and when they were going down, and try to find out why they were going up or why they were going down. Study how much they go up and how much they go down. You want to find stocks which go up a lot. This kind of daily study will make you familiar with stocks. Try this, and if you have questions, ask me in the comments. In my next video, I'll show you how to use free tools to find stock information. Thank you, and have a great day.